When you're photographing a house, you're not just selling square footage, you're selling what it feels like to live there. Most real estate photographs, they look like this. But sometimes the house actually feels more like this. This little add-on right here has been quietly adding $100 to roughly 30% of the orders going through my company right now. And the crazy part is, this isn't replacing my normal editing workflow at all. My base edits are still happening in Fotello, just like normal. Bright, clean, polished, standard listing photos. That's still the bread and butter, and they're here to order those. But once those finished images come back, I take some of them and I run them through AutoReel to turn them into these really moody early morning versions that feel a lot more emotional. And that has turned into one of the easiest add-ons I've introduced in a while that I don't have to pay an employee to do. The job of real estate photography is usually pretty simple. Make the house look bright, open, clean, and accurate. Wall-to-wall representation focusing on connectivity and completely straight verticals. That's still the priority because agents need photos that work on the MLS, but bright and white does not always tell the full story of the property. Honestly, I think it barely tells the story at all. It shows the property with no flaws and, at the same time, no character. Some homes have an actual feeling to them when you're standing inside. The way the light comes across the floor in the morning, the way the living room feels when the shadows get longer, the way a bedroom or kitchen starts to feel less like a product and more like a place someone could make coffee in. Zimmer's Coffee. That mood is real. We just don't usually have time to chase it during a normal shoot day, and the majority of agents don't think it's a selling feature. So it's our job sometimes to remind them that great listing photos aren't about being the same, it's about standing out from the crowd, and this is exactly how to accomplish that. That was really the thing that got me interested in this. We're in and out of multiple properties. The agent wants the images back quickly, and the final gallery still needs to be clean and consistent. So even if I notice a room would look incredible with more directional light or a moodier treatment, I'm usually not going to stop the whole day to create that manually or come back later in the day to see that. I don't have the time to do it for free, and agents, well, they don't value when they have to disrupt their homeowners for being in their home during when the entire family is typically home for dinner and homework. Wow, I just said home a bunch of times in a row, I think. When I started experimenting with what AutoReel could do with finished images, that immediately sent random image ideas spiraling in my head. Not as a replacement for the real edits, not as a fake version of the house, more like a marketing layer built on top of what we already deliver that makes the house feel less cookie cutter and more like a real treat. What's the deal, everyone? Welcome back to the studio. I'm Jeremy Deal with Picture Your Property. If you're new to the channel, I talk about the real struggles of running a real estate media company that's been successful and profitable since 2018. Due to my ability to update and change with technology and kind of leave my competition in the dust. So if you're into that kind of marketing materials, make sure to do all the YouTube stuff. I don't have a course to sell you. I'll put all the information right here on the public channel. Now, let's get back to the actual workflow. Step 1, the photos still go through Fotello for the base edit. That is still where the main work is happening for us. Exposure, color correction, cleanup, all of that, you know. The rest is the normal fine image that the client expects from our company. Then step 2, I take selected finished images, not the raws, not unfinished files, the finished edited photos I receive from Fotello, and I load those into AutoReel. Now, from there, I'm using it to generate these early morning moody versions. That part is important because I'm not using AutoReel to create the core listing photo. I'm using it after the fact to create a premium add-on from work that was already completed. And later on in this video, I'll throw up some of my favorite prompts for creating these. Take this image, for example. The original photo does its job well. It's bright, balanced, and clear. You can see the room, the layout, finishes and features, the ceiling height, you know, all that important stuff. Everything the agent wants a viewer to notice the first time they see a house. And I totally get that. But as an artist at heart, I yearn for something more. I don't want to see a room. I want to feel a room. I want it's like to be there. And that's exactly what we're using AutoReel to change this very boring image into something completely different, something show-stopping, something that stops their scroll. Now the floor has those long shadows cutting across it. The light feels lower, warmer. The room suddenly feels quieter, a little more expensive, a little more intentional, a little more real. You're not just seeing a living room anymore. You're experiencing a morning in a living room. That difference is exactly why this works. And that is the part I think matters most. Agents are not paying extra because the image is darker. They're paying extra because it gives them something different to market with. The standard photos handle the MLS side. They do the factual job. These handle the emotional job, which is where most people purchase. They give the agent something that feels more custom and more suited for social media, branding, email marketing, or just standing out a little bit from the hundreds of other bright interior people see all day. It's giving agents authority to be authentic and showing homeowners the agent cares about showcasing what the house actually feels like to be inside of it. We offer this as a $100 add-on. And right now, roughly 30% of the orders going through my company, they're taking advantage of it. That makes it one of those upgrades that's small enough for clients to say yes to, but meaningful enough that it adds real value to that money spent over time. And because the underlying image is already done, it's not adding some huge production burden to the team or homeowners. That is my favorite kind of add-on. Not only easy and completely digital, but one of the most fun creating processes I've done for real estate in a long time. Feels premium to the client, but operationally it's simple, and that's why it's such a big win for both parties. A lot of add-ons in real estate media either take too much time, require too much explanation, or they've already commonly done by lots of other people in your area. This one is different because the value is immediate. They see the image and they get it. And more importantly, very few others are using these images. You do not need a long sales pitch. You do not have to explain technical settings or workflow. You just show them the standard version and then show them the moody version. That visual contrast does all of the selling for you. And then there's the bonus use for all of this. Once you have these moody images, you can also turn them into a short video clip, or in my case, full video productions right in AutoReel, because that's what it's made for. That is where this starts becoming even more useful for agents marketing and even more increases in your agent spend per property, because now the same upgraded image is not just a still photo. It can become a quick cinematic social clip that gives that listing a little more fire. For agents trying to stay active on Instagram or Facebook, this gives them content that feels more high-end without requiring an entirely separate production on site, while giving them a completely unique look compared to what else is being shown. Most of these kinds of videos are done using the same bright and white images they use for the MLS, so it feels kind of dull at the same time. Creating these videos with more unique images automatically makes those videos look more unique too. Now, I don't think this is something you need on every property. The house has no mood, no character, no strong windows or directional light, then I wouldn't force it on an agent. But on the right homes, especially the ones with warmth, texture, big windows, or strong living space, this kind of treatment can work extremely well. So for me, it's not about using it constantly. It's about knowing when a home has enough atmosphere that this will actually add something. It's about presenting it to the agent with enough style and brand awareness that they see the potential. I also like this because it lines up with how I already think about houses. We're forced daily to fit into a mold of creating exactly what's expected of us, shooting boxes made of ticky-tacky, and they're all just the same. But this small way, we can bring some creativity and joy back into the images we're delivering. I do not just care about whether a room is technically correct. I care about whether it feels interesting, man. Whether it feels inviting, whether it feels like somewhere someone would want to spend any time of their day in. Man, because that's what we're selling here, homes, not boxes that look the same. These are places people will spend the next years of their lives waking up, and I like the thought that I can show them what's out there on a budget that's in tune with what agents can afford on their marketing budget for this sale. I think selling a home is the part regular listing photography sometimes leaves on the table, and I think this helps bring a little bit of that back. So if you're already delivering standard real estate photos and you want a simple add-on that can create extra revenue without changing your core workflow, this has been a really solid one for us. Fotello's still handling the base edits. Autoreal is taking those finished images and helping turn some of them into something more emotional, cinematic, and marketable. And for us, that has consistently turned into an extra $100 on a meaningful percentage of shoots. Not because it replaces the normal work, because it adds another layer on top, right there. If you've been looking for a way to make your galleries feel a little more premium without blowing up your workflow, this might be worth testing. I also realized I never gave you a formal walkthrough of how to do it and instead just showed you a bunch of different versions with their prompts. I think you can figure it out. And if you're interested in seeing more videos about unique ways to create and market the images you create, well, make sure to stick around because I'm working on a video right now about how I've completely changed what my company delivers for a Twilight conversion. And my agents cannot give me enough praise for the difference in look. If you're interested in any of the gear or software, including discounts to Autoreal that I use to run my real estate media empire, those can all be found in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this information was helpful or useful to you and your business, and let me know in the comments below what you think. I wouldn't be here without you. Again, I'm Jeremy Deal with Picture Your Property, and I'll catch you next time. And if you want, I can break down in the next video exactly what I do when I present this to clients, or should I say, how I'm presenting this to clients to make it more of an easy sell. Catch you next time.